This video will just kind of walk you through the Automate Your Checking Register assignment. So the first one is the first part is using a spreadsheet. So I've already created that for you. So we will open that link. And yes, you're going to want to make a copy. And so then you see we have our opening balance in here. So we'll just go through the first one together. Sorry, now I have too many tabs open. Okay, and then it just talks about how to put it in there, but we will go through that. So here are all the things that we have to go through and put in. So our first one is that we're writing a check to the school for a lost textbook on October 5th for $86. So we'll come and do our date. And then it said our check number was 2011. So for the payee, I would just write SPS for the school. And then you can do the / and say, what was it for a textbook? Lost textbook. And then this is going to go in the payment column. So it was $86. Then now when we come to the balance, this is where you're going to have the spreadsheet do the work for you. So I'm going to put in equals. You always have to put in equals first. And then I'm just going to click on this, so the line right above it. Since this is a withdrawal, we're going to subtract it, and then I'll just click on that and get my new balance. So you can do the same thing on this one, equals this, and then plus or minus your next line. So you'll work through all of these. And then one of the most important things is putting your actual spreadsheet link here for me, because since you make a copy yourself, I will not be able to access that. So when you are done, you'll come to share. And then right now they have only people added can open the link with this. So I'm going to want to say change to anyone with the link. And then copy it, and then go in and paste it right there in the instructions. Then it just has a few follow-up questions that you will answer once you have that completed. So hopefully that helps you get started on this assignment.